Alright, well, it's time for a meat bird update. My weekly update here to show you how these birds are progressing. And boy, are they hungry. What all these guys do: eat, drink water, sit around and eat and drink water, crap all over the place. But they are getting really big. But like I warned you, they start to get looking pretty ugly. They don't really get a lot of feathers. They're bred to just get fat. And this one's pretty interested in what I'm doing. But as you can see, all they want to do is eat. And they're pretty funny. And they're loud. Alright, so there's about 38 of them. And they're progressing quite well. And Mr. Rooster wishes he could get in here. I don't know what he wants to do, but he's being pretty loud this morning. Alright, well, there's a little update for you. Yeah, here's another angle of the coop and the little meat birds. They love to get out and run around in this little pen we have. And we keep them separated from the bigger ones, which are over here. Here's the guy making all the noise. Yeah, right on cue. Anyway, we have the ones that lay eggs. The layers are over here. And somebody's in the coop laying an egg. That's what all the noise is about. So, anyway, there you go. It's